Planning your big day? Here is a warning. The wrong people in your wedding committee can cause chaos, from renegotiating prices to even inflating budgets. Here are some real-life lessons that I've encountered in my career, and I'll show you what you must avoid. My name is Omuria Emmanuel from Concraft Media. Today I want to talk about wedding committees. Much as they can be helpful, if they're not checked, they can be a disaster, and in the long run, they can ruin your special event. Let me tell you what you must watch out for. Point number 1, last-minute price renegotiations. Imagine your wedding chairperson calls a service provider, a caterer, a photography company, and they're trying to renegotiate the price. This does not only make you look unprofessional, but it risks the service provider pulling out because they deem you as unserious. And in the long run, no one wants to work with someone who is unserious. So as a bride, as a groom, make sure you're at the forefront of negotiating the prices with your service providers. Lock in those agreements early and communicate your expectations to the committee, because on your day, you won't be running around to enforce everything. So just communicate your expectations to your committee, and they will make sure everything you set out will be done on your big day. Point number 2, inflated budgets. Let me tell you another horror story. A wedding committee chairperson called me and wanted to inflate the budget, sneak in the difference, and make sure they take the difference for themselves. Imagine, as a groom, sometimes you're running on low budget, but someone in your committee is trying to take advantage of you and of your generosity. You should be clear about roles and make sure you track all expenses that are going on around your big day, and make sure, finally, you approve every cost personally. Point number 3, how to choose the right people. Pick people who are trustworthy and organized and have your interests at heart. Avoid anyone with a reputation of dishonesty, drama, or cutting corners. Point number 4, have a backup plan. Even a well-planned event sometimes can go sideways due to some few mishaps. Therefore, be ready to step in if you feel something is not right. Drop a comment if you had a similar experience, or share this video with someone who is getting married soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.